Greetings from Arizona. Today we're going to take you along as we share with you the 13 things we cannot live without while living in a van. Plus, maybe some added bonuses. But first, coffee.
So good morning and welcome to my coffee setup. I normally would be making coffee right now, but the filmer behind the camera woke up a little late today, so I've already had my coffee, and if you guys were with us in our last episode, you saw it in action. But I will say this is the number one thing I recommend. This is a silicone pour-over coffee maker by JavaFlex. And just to let you guys know, we are going to link all 13 of our favorite products in the description below, exactly what we bought. But yeah, I went from a glass Chemex, which I could not be trusted with in the van, to this. And this folds up real small, can't be broken, and it has a bag that comes with it. So I would say my coffee setup's a little over the top for most, but if you love coffee, you live in a van or an RV, highly suggest getting something like this.
Item number 2 is our favorite water bottles. These are actually a gift from Cody's mom. She is the best gift giver ever. But the brand is Wondery and they track your travels. So this one is the 50 states and this one's all the national parks in the US. And it is so fun to add a new sticker everywhere we go. We look forward to it every time.
We got it.
The big one.
Sticking with the kitchen theme, our number 3 thing that we could not live without is our Instant Pot and air fryer. So this is the air fryer lid that goes right on top of the Instant Pot. This is by far the biggest appliance we have in the van. We stuff it all the way in the back. It's a little bit of a pain to break out, but we do love having it because we have a 2-burner gas stove, but we do not have an oven. So this is the closest thing that we have to any type of cooking with an oven. Plus, without the air fryer lid on top and the basket, we use this pot to boil all of our water. We do not carry another pot with us, so every piece of this has multiple purposes, and we love that. Kind of got to do that in van life. So yeah, number 3, the Instant Pot with the air fryer lid.
Item number 4 is our Kitchenaid hand blender. This is new to us. We got this for Christmas, but we used to have the Vitamix and it took up so much space. There was absolutely no way we could travel with the Vitamix and the Instant Pot. It was just way too overwhelming, but this is perfect for what we need. We make a lot of salad dressings or like pasta sauces and things like that, so it's absolutely perfect.
Item number 5 is our foldable bed. This was one of the greatest finds on Amazon, I think, in this van. It's a tri-folding memory foam mattress, and what you guys see right now is couch mode, essentially. It just folds on itself. There's a little piece in the back that kind of sticks up. I don't know, with Cliff on it, if we're gonna be able to see it. But yeah, it folds up, gets pushed back. We're able to save so much space, expose our dinette, and then at the end of the night, we pull this out, hook it in. If you guys have seen our van tour video, you've seen this thing in action, but it's almost a king size bed. This is the biggest bed we've ever slept in out of all of our apartments, the tiny house, everything. This is the biggest bed and we really love it. So yeah, tri-folding mattress, item number 5.
Item number 6 is right here in the closet, and they are these acrylic drawers. We used to have a bunch of these IKEA storage containers here, but they are not strong enough for the things that we're putting in them. So I took a trip to Target and found the best drawers ever. They fit so much stuff. We have our hard drive storage. This is all my like hair and makeup necessities, besides like I have a curler. And then just like cords and Cody's little like shaving kit and everything. And there's still so much more space. These have saved us a ton with storage.
Item number 7 is our towels. These towels are from a company called Nomadics. They're a microfiber towel and they've really been a game changer for van life. When we started van life, when we were going from the tiny house to the van, Jill wanted to bring our big fluffy comfy towels, but I knew that they just wouldn't dry quick enough and then they'd start to stink. These dry super quick, they don't stink, and we were most nervous about them leaving like the pillies all over you like normal microfiber does, but they really haven't. So these are a 10 out of 10 for van life.
Item number 8 is our Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. We absolutely love this Bluetooth speaker. We use it when we're driving because our van didn't come with a working radio. So we use this for good music, podcasts, audiobooks, anything like that. But we also use it when we're just hanging out. It's also waterproof, so we get to bring it on the stand-up paddleboard, and it is so much fun.
Item number 9 is our window covers. These window covers are made by a husband and wife team out of Oregon called Quest Overland, and they make custom fit Sprinter window covers. So the front one is like an accordion style that fits perfectly around the rearview mirror, and then the window ones are magnetic, and then we even bought the option that you can drop this top section down and just have the screen revealed. Super nice if you want extra airflow. But yeah, when we pull up to somewhere, no matter if we're at a Cracker Barrel or in the middle of nowhere on BLM land, these are the first things we do. Toss them in the front, blocks out the light. It also keeps out a ton of heat. These things get hot when they're sitting in the sun, so that's keeping all the hot on the outside and not on the inside.
Item number 10 is our Max Air Fan. We absolutely love this thing. I think this is the one item we truly couldn't live without. We use it every single day. We typically have the air flowing outwards with the back windows open, so we get such a nice breeze throughout the day. But it also comes with a remote, so it's super nice in the middle of the night. If it gets chilly, I can just hit the off button real quick. And it has a rain sensor, so if it starts raining, it'll turn off automatically, which is super cool, especially because we do use it most nights. But yeah, we absolutely can't live without this thing.
Item number 11 is this Autel Bluetooth scanner. This plugs right into the van and allows you to check the check engine lights, and it'll tell you exactly what they mean. If you guys have been following us for a while, you know we had some trouble with this van, especially we were in northern Maine. We kept getting put into limp mode, and we had no idea what it meant because we couldn't scan the van, so we had to look for shops or people who knew about these vans. This thing plugs right in under the dash, Bluetooths to your phone, and you can check the check engine light. It'll tell you what it means. You can even clear it. So for not having to go to a Mercedes dealership for $200, this thing has paid itself off many times over already.
Item number 12 are our favorite chairs. They're the Helinox Savannah Highback chairs. And ever since we've gotten these, Cody and I have had a little challenge to see who can make their chair up the fastest. Let's see. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Set.
Hello.
Go.
You didn't do your headrest.
So close.
And that brings us to item number 13 on this list, and that would be how we charge the van. Solar panels. We bought these solar panels right off Amazon. I think they're called the New Power 210 watt panels. We put 4 of them up on the van. They've been super reliable. I really have nothing bad to say about them. I was a little skeptical about buying solar panels off of Amazon, but they shipped right through, had no breaks, and they've been on top of the van. Literally, our only way to charge the van is solar. That's a choice that we made. And having them on the roof, the other thing that I didn't think about that has been a huge benefit is because they're solar on the roof, the sun doesn't directly hit the top of the roof, which helps keep the van cooler. So kind of another win for those solar panels. And they were kind of the cheaper part of what we did for upgrades. I was surprised. So yeah, highly recommend them. So far, so good.
Now that we've told you about our top 13, I think we should show you a couple extras that didn't make the cut, but we still feel like they're super important.
Honorable mention.
The honorable mentions.
Here we go. One wheel trunk saver. We have 2 of these, one for the one wheel XR, one for the one wheel GT. Makes it so the one wheels do not slide around. Dude wipes, multiple purposes. Wipe the dudes, wipe the butt, doesn't matter. Wipe anything. Yeti camp mug. These keep my coffee hot for like 4 hours. I burn my tongue almost every day. Great mug. Not damaging that one. Oh dear Lord. Walkie-talkies, bought these at Walmart. They've been great. We love when we're going to scout places, anything like that, walkie-talkies. Oh dear Lord. Polaroid Lab. This allows you to put your phone on top of it and then it prints a Polaroid. Pretty cool. We have a bunch on our table. Foldable broom from Camco. This thing is a little beast. We store it in the bathroom, but it kind of folds out, does that ditty. It's been great. We really like it. Folds up, saves space. We honestly need one of these for the tiny house. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose a shin. Hit me. Lodge cast iron pan. I have finally mastered a cast iron pan. I've tried many of these. We ruined 2 of them on our Tennessee trip. This one I've been taking good care of and not letting Jill put water in it and letting it sit. Cast iron pan, just great. Pretty good. Max Tracks. These things came in handy the day we bought them. The day we bought them, we went down to the beach and Jill wanted to kind of scoot us over into the soft stand. We got stuck. We put these under the rear tires. The tire grips all these knobs on the top, gets you right out of whatever you're stuck in. Last one. I caught it. 5-gallon Yeti bucket. This thing has so many purposes. It has a bunch of storage things that go in it. We have storage around the outside of it. We use it as our table. When it's outside, we use it as storage of things that we buy and we want to bring back. We keep it all in here. Yeti bucket, love it. Bring in the dancing lobsters. Those are the items that we truly have in the van that we use nearly every day, or we do use them every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, we truly appreciate you.
Cheers, guys.
Peace.